Right. So now we have design thinking based lecture on what is called pneumatic powered braking system, right? So already we have a number of resources for braking system, like the hydraulic, pneumatic, and additionally we have regenerative braking system, right? So in this, this is our student project. So how the braking system will be working, right? So this is pneumatic powered. I mean, A with the braking is applied with the help of compressed air. So this will be explained by our student one by one.
So hi everyone, and I am Vigneshwaran of Automobile third year, currently pursuing my UD. And so our topic today is pneumatic powered air braking system. So basically, if we take any type of vehicle, braking system are of various types, right? So there are regenerative braking systems that use that is used to produce energy while applying brakes, and there are various kinds of it. So one such example is a pneumatic air braking system. So what happens here is the main mechanism or the procedure is we are using the pressure differences in air that is produced while applying the brake. So let me explain clearly. So what happens is when we press the pedal, okay, what happens? The pedal is creating a pressure air difference, and that is directly going to the brake cylinders, and that the brake cylinders will initiate air pressure difference, and hence the wheels will stop. So basically this not only stops the wheels, it is also a type of regenerative braking system, which means every time you press the pedal, we are also producing a small amount of, that is not too much, but a tiny amount of energy that is used to run the vehicle again. So this energy is nothing but electrical energy, not mechanical energy. So this is exactly partially regenerative mechanism and partially air braking mechanism. Furthermore, concepts will be explained by our students. And now components of the regenerative pneumatic air braking system will be explained by Surya.
Hello everyone, I am Surya. I am going to tell about the components in that particular pneumatic braking system. Here we have the wheel mounted on the some shaft, and we also have a braking system, and we have a regenerative component system, and a solenoid valve which suck the air from the atmosphere to and deliver through the pipe, and we also have a switch, like if we apply the brake, for that we have a switch here. This will be explained by the components of each component will be explained by Hariharan.
So good morning everyone. So I am going to explain the component and working principle of this project. Actually we have the switch, and then we are using two motors, and one for generate the power and one for just run a wheel. Okay, now just consume this, just assume this switch as a brake. When wheel is spinning, we are applying brake for vehicle. So consume this as assume this as a brake. Okay. So we have a solenoid. Solenoid is basically pneumatic control, compress the air, and then it act like actuator. So yeah, when we press the brake, here the air will come into piston. This is multi piston. When you enter the air, this gear will be come inside the inside. So here brake will apply, and at the same time this motor will spin, and this act as a generator, and it will generate the power. This is the working principle of this project.
Yeah, so basically this is just a representation of our brakes or the brake pedals that we use in large scale vehicles. So this is just a miniature explanation or a miniature representation. So imagine this as a brake pedal. So as explained by Hariharan, if we press the brake, the pressure differences and the pneumatic compressor here is used to apply brake as a example. Yeah.
So I am going to tell the advantages of this, or the application of this pneumatic braking system. So usually hydraulics are used for lifting heavy loads. So this hydraulic is used for heavy load vehicles like lorries, also the trailers, to regenerate the braking system. So this is the regenerative motor, which is converts AC current to DC current, and also its application is heavy duty vehicles like trailers, also trailers and lorries and buses. Thank you.
So yes, Ashok said that the major application of this pneumatic powered braking system is with the light duty vehicle, right? So if you can't use this, yes, we can't, doesn't like it is not used, but when compared to the efficiency in the particular take that into consideration. So this pneumatic is majorly used in the lightweight application, whereas for the heavyweight vehicles, so we can go with the hydraulic. The reason is, what is the reason?
Sir, we use this pneumatic in heavy vehicles, not in light vehicles, because the response time of this braking is very slow. So we can't stop as we hit the pedal. And the size of this, it's a small scale model, but the original model is, it's a big scale, big one comparing to other braking systems. So we can't use this as a cars, bikes. So heavy vehicles only use this.
Yes, so we can't achieve the exact pressure difference with the pneumatic one, whereas with the hydraulic we will achieve the exact pressure difference. So then only the brake will apply, right? So our students, so you've done a great project with that, and the special appreciation to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.